What if I told you that the biggest secret to wealth isn't saving every penny, but building a money system that pays you forever, even while you sleep? Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money flowing into your account without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? However, the truth is that this is precisely how the wealthy remain wealthy. In today's video, I'll reveal the secret to building a cash flow that never stops. Stick with me till the end, because the last point is what ties everything together. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss future videos on building wealth and financial freedom. Most people are familiar only with one type of income: active income. You trade your time for money, whether that's a paycheck, an hourly wage, or a freelance project. The problem? The moment you stop working, the money stops flowing. Here's the secret the wealthy understand. They don't rely on active income alone. Instead, they create systems, such as businesses, investments, or assets, that continue to generate money on autopilot. Think about it. One person works 40 hours a week to earn $3,000 a month. Another person owns rental property, a dividend-paying portfolio, and a small digital product. Even while that person sleeps or travels, their money machine is working. The first person has limits. The second person has leverage. So the first step is a mindset shift. Cash flow isn't about working harder. It's about creating streams of money that don't require your constant presence. So the real question is, how do you practically build these streams? 3 powerful types of assets can provide endless cash flow. Cash-flowing businesses, a small online store, a subscription service, or even a YouTube channel like this one. The effort up front is heavy, but once established, these businesses can generate consistent monthly income. Real estate. Rental properties remain one of the oldest and most reliable sources of cash flow. A well-located property with reliable tenants can pay you for decades. Paper assets, dividend stocks, index funds, and bonds may sound boring, but they're the easiest way to build cash flow. Imagine holding shares of a company that pays you quarterly just for owning them. Each of these takes different amounts of money and effort to start, but here's the secret. Consistency matters more than size. A $50 investment that grows into $500 is more powerful than sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect moment. But let's be real, owning assets is only half the game. The real challenge is managing them so they actually pay you forever. Here's where most people go wrong. They start earning cash flow but spend it right away. That's the fastest way to kill your financial engine. The wealthy follow a golden rule: reinvest until your cash flow can cover your lifestyle. Think of it like planting trees. The first tree gives you shade and fruit, but if you eat everything and never plant seeds, you'll never have a forest. The secret to infinite cash flow is reinvesting those fruits into planting more trees. For example, if your rental property gives you $500 a month, don't rush to upgrade your car. Instead, reinvest in another property or put that money into a dividend portfolio. Over time, $500 grows into $500, and then into $5,000. That's how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. But reinvesting requires discipline, and discipline is tied to psychology. That's where most people slip up. Cash flow isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. Most people are wired to think short-term. A bonus comes in and it's spent on gadgets or vacations. The wealthy, however, think long-term. How can this money work for me forever? One effective strategy is to reframe your spending decisions. Before every purchase, ask, does this buy me freedom or take it away? That one question shifts you from instant gratification to wealth-building mode. Another secret? Automate your systems. The less you rely on willpower, the more consistent you'll be. Set up automatic transfers into investments, savings, or business accounts. Let your money flow where it builds more money. Over time, you'll train your brain to see cash flow not as a luxury but as a necessity, your ticket to freedom. And once your mindset is in place, there's one final secret that makes sure your cash flow truly lasts forever. Here's the part most people overlook: protecting your cash flow. It's not enough to build streams of income. You need to defend them against risks. This means diversifying your streams. Never rely on just one. having an emergency fund for unexpected expenses, using insurance, legal structures, or even trusts to shield assets. Remember, true wealth isn't fragile. It's resilient. And when you combine multiple streams with protection and reinvestment, you create a system that not only pays you forever, but also survives beyond you, becoming a legacy for your family. So, here's the big secret. Cash flow that pays forever isn't magic. It's the result of building assets, reinvesting wisely, mastering your money psychology, and protecting your streams. Do this, and you'll never have to worry about money again. Now I want to hear from you. Which type of cash flow do you want to build first? Business, real estate, or investments? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll join a community that's building absolute financial freedom, step by step. Because the real secret isn't just earning more, it's building a system that pays you forever.